Recently, there has been a significant increase in the demand for artificial intelligence to generate extra income or find ways to make money. One of the most widely used artificial intelligence was MidJourney, but recently it became a paid service. Since then, many people have been looking for a new tool that can be as good as MidJourney and also free to use. In this video, I will introduce you to a new tool that, in my opinion, is better than MidJourney. Allow me to present you Leonardo.AI. This tool has undergone numerous updates and in my view has already established itself as one of the top choices for image creation. The best part is that it's completely free. If you are interested in learning how to register, gain full access to the tool, and explore its key features, please watch this video until the end. And remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos. First, go to Google and search for Leonardo.AI and click on the first website that appears. This is the new tool that generates incredible photos completely free. To sign up, go to Get Early Access and enter your valid email, as they will send you a confirmation email so you can access all the features directly on the website without the need to use Discord. Once you receive this email, return to Leonardo.ai website and click on Launch App. Then click on Yes, I'm whitelisted. Here you can either create a new account or continue with your Google account if you are already logged in. You will see a brief presentation about the platform and its tools. If it's your first time accessing, I recommend reading through each of these steps. In the top right corner, you will see the credits, which I will explain it in more details later. By clicking on Upgrade, you will be directed to the page for accessing paid content. Unless you work with design, I don't see a reason to subscribe to the paid service, since you will receive 150 new credits free to daily use. Taking a look at each section of the homepage, here you have the features models, which I will explain in a moment. In the recent creation section, you will find the trading projects, which are the ones with the highest number of likes. In new projects, you can find the recently created ones. And above that, you will see the top rated ones. You can search here based on an image that you want. In the community feed, we have basically the same content as the homepage, which includes the community images with the highest number of likes. In the personal feed, you will find the projects you create. Here, I will show you some of the creations I made. You have sections for your own generations, the follow field, which shows creations for the creators you follow, and the liked feed, which displays the image you've liked. In the training section, you can train the intelligence according to your preference and what you want to achieve. In the fine-tuning models section, you have the features models. Let me explain what each of these items is and what they are used for. Think of them as separate intelligence for different image styles. The same command I use for this puppy image is the same I use for this other puppy image, and is also the same command I use for these four images and the same for this, and so go on. The only difference is that each of these creations I use a different feature model, which generates a different result. In the User Tools section, you'll find the image creation tools. By clicking IA.Generation, you will be directed to the image creation part. In the fine-tuned model, you can select the image style you desire, and above that, you enter the command prompt to generate the image. In prompt generation, you can provide a theme or topic, and the site will generate commands that you can use to create your image. For example, a sad man sitting in a park bench. If you want to use one of these prompts, simply copy and paste it here or click directly on Generate and the images will be created. On the left side, there are some functions including the number of image options, which allow you to specify how many images will be generated per command. If you set it to generate 4 here, it will generate 4 images. Keep in mind that generating more images will consume more tokens. Below that, we have Prompt Magic V2, which fine-tunes your prompt and make it better. Enabling Magic V2 will cost you twice of the number of tokens but will result in better images. High contrast increases the contrast of the image, making it look more realistic or not, depending on the type of command you are using. Prompt Magic Strength determines the strength of the prompt's effect on your image. In Image Dimensions, you can choose the size you want for your image. Note that larger images will consume more tokens. The guidance scale determines the level of AI intervention. The lower the scale, the less the AI interfere, and the higher the scale, the more it will be involved. I usually leave at 7, which is the default setting. Now let's try to generate some images. First, go back to the home page and go to the Feature Model sections. Select the desired predefined model, click on it, and then click on Generate with this model. In the commanded prompt, type the desired test. Let's test how it looks with the prompt Mini Cute Cyberpunk Soldier with a pistol, and click on Generate. And there you have it, our first set of images. Let's test it again using a different fine-tuned model. Go back to the home page and select a new model. This time, let's try it with the Vintage Style model. Click on it and once again generate with this model. We will use the exactly same command prompt to see what it generates. As you can see, we now have 4 new different images. I believe you got the idea. Let's do one more test, this time using the Luna model. And there you have it, 4 new models again. Keep testing until you find the one that you like the most. And remember, you have 150 credits per day. Now comes the best part of Leonardo.AI, the artificial intelligence associated with AI Canva. Once again, if this is your first time accessing AI Canva, please read the initial instructions. Let's start by selecting an image from the community feed, but if you like it, you can use any image you want. Simply click on the desired image, go to the 3 dots, and then click on Edit in Canvas. Once you have the image in Canva, you will find the following options in the toolbar. The first option is Pen, which moves the entire Canva. Then we have Select, which allows you to move the image and the editing frame. We have Draw Mask, which is used to create new elements that don't exist in the image. There is the Erase tool that also creates new elements that don't exist. And the Upload Image option if you want to add an image from your computer. Before we begin, we must not forget to do something very important, which is to go to the selected image and copy its command prompt and paste it in the prompt within Canva. We do this so that the artificial intelligence recognizes that it's the same image we want to complete the missing parts of. On the right side, there are some options, such as the desired number of images, size, and also the guidance scale. Now, we select the part we want to create and click on Generate. Then click on Accept and there you go. The image now has a new part that wasn't there before. We continue in the same way until we are satisfied with the image. In the Draw Mask option, we can add things that don't exist in the photos, such as sunglasses. Just draw on the desired location and type sunglasses in the command prompt. Some images may turn out not so good, while others may be better, so keep trying until you receive the desired result. As you can see here, with sunglasses the image was not so good. So we change to vintage sunglasses and then you go. This one is better. The Erase tool is used to remove a part of the image and add new content to the image. You select the part that you want to remove and go to the prompt and give what you want to appear in the image. Like this, blue sky. Everything is ready. If you are satisfied, simply go to download and save your image. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we see you in the next video.